Metal on metal, just like this waste valve and this check valve, are all metal on metal. There's no gasket surfaces which allow these metal parts to seal against one another. But as you can see, these stainless steel check valves are watertight. When I fill them with water, there's no water running through the valve and leaking past the metal-to-metal mating surfaces. But when I fill this brass antique valve, there's water that runs right through it in its closed position, which can only mean one thing. The sealing or mating surfaces of this antique brass check valve, which I'm pointing to with the pencil right now on the one half of the part, and then I'm going to show you the female side of what that seals against on the inside of the valve. They're not mated perfectly, so I'm going to get some grinding compound and lap these two parts together to try to create a perfect seal. Do you guys think this will work?